Hello friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video today, I am going to talk to you about law or legal studies education in India. I will talk to you about the qualities which a candidate must possess in order to continue with legal education. I will talk to you about the degree options which are available in India, the eligibility criteria for most of these degree options, the entrance exams which are there at the national level for law admissions, and what professions one can continue with after finishing a degree program in law. Coming to the quality check for the candidates of law or legal studies, one requires to be very good at academic and people orientation, good with logical thinking and logical arguments. One should have interest in politics and social issues, and the candidate should have the ability to spend long hours in reading and writing, both during the study as well as in the profession once a candidate gets into. There are different degree options which are available in India after 12th. You can go for a BA LLB, BBA LLB, BCom LLB, BSc LLB, BSW LLB, and BTech LLB. The top 5 degrees are all 5-year integrated programs, and the last one, which is BTech LLB, is a 6-year program. Except BTech and BSc LLB, where you require to be a science student in grade 11 and 12, remaining all areas you can join after either science or commerce or arts, does not matter. So eligibility criteria would be 10+2 any stream. Talking about the top entrance exams available in the country, the mother exam for law is known as CLAT, which is the Common Law Admission Test, which caters to 21 national law universities as on date. Whichever national law universities keep coming up, most of them join the bandwagon of CLAT and take students based on the score which one gets in the CLAT exam. Then National Law University Delhi takes its own entrance exam, which is known as All India Legal Entrance Test, known as ILET. Then Symbiosis has its own exam, Christ University has its own exam, BLAT, which is another entrance exam at the national level. Then Bharatiya Vidyapeeth has its CET, Jamia Millia Islamia, Aligarh Muslim University. Then there is a separate state level entrance exam conducted by Maharashtra for all 5-year integrated courses in law in the state of Maharashtra. Then you have UPES Dehradun conducting its own exam, KIIT own exam, MSU Baroda, Army Institute of Law, KLEE Rajasthan conducts its own exam known as Roulette. Punjab University conducts its own entrance exam for 5-year integrated LLB program. These are the top entrance exams in the country. As far as professions are concerned, one can become an advocate, arbitrator, conciliator, corporate legal consultant, diplomat, investigator, judge, judicial magistrate, lawyer, legal advisor, litigator, mediator, get into teaching, become a professor, prosecutor, social activist, or a solicitor. I hope this video gives you some clarity about the legal education field in India. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it across in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.